So it's my passion to serve the community and to make sure that low-income disadvantaged families have what they need. Hi, my name is Tamara Long-Ajimati, and I am the founder and director of Caring for a Cause Supportive Services. And we assist individuals who come from low-income disadvantaged families that are in need. Caring for a Cause was established in 2015, and the reason why I thought about this organization is because my aunt was a director of a community center in Detroit, Michigan. I had the opportunity of shadowing her during the summers, and she literally would give the shirt off of her back, and I would do the same thing. So I would say not only has Caring for a Cause served families with diapers and the necessities that they need for their children, we also assist families during the holiday time. We reach out to the community to find sponsors and donations, and those sponsors literally really come in and they have hands-on with being able to attend my functions and give out items to the families. So it's really heartfelt. Currently, we are serving individuals in Central Indiana. Since 2015, we have served at least 5,000 families, and we have a total of 50 volunteers. So since everything is now mobile due to the pandemic, I utilize my vehicle to travel all over Central Indiana to deliver gifts, to deliver personal hygiene items, to deliver diapers, baby wipes, anything, you name it. So if the clients are in need and they reach out to me, I have my vehicle and I'm in it and I'm traveling along the way to make sure that families have what they need. It means a lot to me that Jiffy Lube of Indiana has reached out to me to be able to receive a year's worth of oil changes as well as a AAA membership. I am super excited because that gives me the opportunity to reach more families, to be able to travel, and also in the back of my mind, I know that I'm traveling a safe road to make sure that the families have what they need. If anyone would like to get involved and take time even with families, they can reach out on Facebook at Caring for a Cause Supportive Services. We are also located on Volunteer Match. So if anyone is interested in volunteering their time, wanting to be a sponsor or give donations to Caring for a Cause, just reach out to us from Volunteer Match, or you can find us on Facebook.